and I fell in love. Shawty's a little taller now. Into big things, he's a baller now. His heart never changed, I can see he's still down. I can't forget it.
Hey guys, it's Jericho. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a hair review, and I've done a review on this hair before, and I did a ponytail review using this hair before, but I was using tons of bobby pins. By the time I was done with that video, I literally had like 50 bobby pins in my head, and at the end of the day I had a really bad headache, so I'm like, I need to figure out how to do a ponytail without having to use bobby pins. So I did this, which y'all about to learn in a minute, but it's super quick and easy, and I didn't use not one bobby pin for this ponytail. I do have a bobby pin right here for the side of my head that I put in, but I'm saying, when I say no bobby pins, I mean like no bobby pins for your actual ponytail. If you want to use some for decoration in your hair, you can do that, but there's no bobby pins in our ponytail. So if you would like to see how I got this really cute, simple, quick, easy ponytail, then keep watching. Below, but I love this hair, you guys. It's not even 100% human hair, and it lasts me for months. So what I'm gonna do is take the tracks come bended, like they come bent in half. So the side that is where the bend is, if that makes sense, that's the side I'm gonna put in my hair first. So I'm trying to do this as easy as possible. So I'm just going to press it down on my hair. I'm gonna hold it with this finger. I'm gonna just hold the track in place, and I'm just literally just gonna start going around. Like, it's literally that simple. I'm just gonna start going around. I don't have my ponytail as little as I need to have it, but it's okay. So I need to look in the mirror to do this. So I'm still holding that track down so that it won't flop off. But I'm literally just gonna start taking the hair and just flipping it over like you would doing a ponytail. And look at my muscles, y'all. This is why I have such big arm muscles from doing my hair. Like, it's ridiculous. So I'm just gonna keep kind of semi-holding it and making sure you're covering your bun. And I'm literally just gonna wrap the tracks, you guys. That's literally all I'm gonna do. Now, this is the part that's important. This would be the part where you would bobby pin it in. Instead, what you're going to do is grab the end of the track, which I'm going to show you in 1 second. You're going to grab the end of the track, like the end of the track is right here, and obviously there's hair attached to it. So what you're going to do is just wrap it around, and you're going to wrap the hair around it too. Like, the hair is what's going to secure it. So you're going to wrap that around your ponytail, bring it under, like the curl too. So you're going to take the hair with the track and just wrap it around your hair as well. Pull it tight. Not too tight where you get a headache. But bam, ponytail is not done. But that's how you do it. That one bobby pin was used. This is the way you can save yourself from having a headache, you guys. Like, it works. So I normally do this 3 times. So here's another bundle. These are all 18 inches, by the way. So I'm going to do the exact same thing. Alright, now once you got as many tracks on as you want, just make sure, like I said, that it's fluffed out. Make sure that none of the hair is tangling. And like I said, with this not being human hair, it's a little bit more tangly. If you were using human hair bundles, you wouldn't have these tangly issues that I'm having. But like I said, this was $20 hair, so there's literally not one complaint from me because I've been getting a lot of wear out of this hair. For it to only be $20, it looks bomb. So I am not complaining. So after you do that, you could either be done because it's basically really seamless already. But what I like to do sometimes is just take hair from the back if you can. But like I said, this hair is kind of tangled now. So you want to take some hair and just do what you basically were just doing and just wrap it around the ponytail just to make it look more seamless. So you're going to wrap it. I don't always do this, but make sure you wrap it and make sure it's untangled. Now this you probably would need a bobby pin for, unless your hair was wet. But if you do it right, like make sure it's nice and tight and tucked, you shouldn't need a bobby pin. So there we go. So that's how it looks. And then there's this side. So now you got your ponytail and you didn't use not one bobby pin. So you can rock your hair without any headache. Like I said, make sure your little bun ain't hanging out. Mine might be because like I said, I didn't make mine as small as I normally make it. But this is pretty cool. Like this is a super cute hairstyle. Then what I like to do is gel down my sideburns. Sideburns turning white because I got so much gel in it already. So I'm just gonna gel these down and curl it. I've been trying to do the same thing on each sideburn, but each sideburn just does what it wants to do because each sideburn has its own personality. And it just does what it wants to do, like I said. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Like I hope you guys enjoyed this easy, quick tutorial. My hair isn't slayed like it normally is. Like if I was really going somewhere, I would have really took my time. But this is just the gist of how to do it without having to use any bobby pins. So if you don't like using bobby pins in your hair, this is the perfect tutorial for you. So if you guys like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. Keep up with me in my daily life. But thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day.